This is the Nightmare Before Coffee 14-ounce Halloween Ghost Mug. The company sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. And my opinion is pretty awesome. It arrived in this really nice looking box, really nice looking packaging here. And just to show you, it arrived totally safely. This thing was completely engulfed in styrofoam here. So inside the box, obviously you get the mug itself. So the mug is a really decent size at 14 ounces. Obviously it's black, which is going to go with anything. Has this kind of playful Halloween design going on inside of it with all kinds of little characters, all kinds of guys going on inside of there. And on the outside here, we have a skull on one side and a Nightmare Before Coffee on the other side. It's made from a durable feeling ceramic. I've been using it for a couple days. Perfect weight for me. And it has a really smooth feel to it on the outside and on the inside. It's super easy to clean. You can hand wash it or whatever you want to do. I have big hands, and the handle on this is perfect for me to get 2 fingers through. And it's a good size to hang on my mug tree too. I use this mug for my morning coffee, and I like to have a cup of beef broth during the day too. It's the perfect size for that. Works great. I used to make this bird's custard in a coffee mug too. This would be the perfect size for that. So something like this would be great for the home or the office. It's obviously good for everyday use, and it fits right in as a decorative piece for certain times of the year. Something like this would be great for friends or family that are into quirky mugs. I love it.